Hello, dear students. How are you? I hope you are well and fine. Shall we start today's maths class? Okay, let's go. We will see today's topics. Welcome to your maths class. I am your maths teacher, Anupama ma'am. Here, today we will see exercise 5A. In previous class, we have learned the concept of multiples and factors. Now we will go through the exercise. First 3 questions we have done already. We will see question number 4. Write the first 2 common multiples of 4, 6 and 8. So for that we have to write multiples of 4, multiples of 6 and multiples of 8. What are the multiples? Multiples means table you will write. And table means it is not compulsory to write till tens only. You can extend also if you are not getting the common multiples. Now see here 24 are same in all 3, so we will circle that, and 48 is common in all 3, so we will circle that. So you get common multiples 24 and 48. Now see question number 6. In each of the following is the first number a factor of the second number or not? We have to check this. So question is the first number a factor of the second number? So in this question 2 numbers are written. One number is written in your book. You can see in your book. One number is written in diamond shape. Okay, and after that second number is written outside that. So we have to see first number is the factor of second number or not. So for that what we will do? We will divide the second number by first number, means 91 divided by 7, and we have to check whether 7 is the factor of 91 or not. So do you remember how to check? If remainder is 0, that means that is the factor. So we will divide it. 7 ones are 7, minus will be 2, and 1 we will bring down, and it is 7 threes are 21, and after subtracting you will get the remainder 0. So 0 is coming, that means 7 is the factor of 91. So we will write that. And if remainder is not 0, that means is not factor. So like that you will write. So one more example we will see. Example number B. Numbers are in diamond shape. There is number 8, and outside that is 135. So we have to check whether 8 is the factor of 135 or not. So we will divide 135 by 8. You will do the division properly. 8 ones are 8. Okay, and we will subtract 8 from 13. So you will get the remainder 5. Then we will bring 5 down here. So it will be 8 6 are 48. So we will take 8 6 are 48 and subtract. So borrowing and properly you will do the subtraction, and you will get the remainder. Okay, you will get the remainder as 7. Remainder is 7, that means 8 is not a factor of 135 because remainder is not 0 here. The next question we will see, write 3 factors of the following numbers other than 1 and the number itself. So number is 165. So factors of 165 other than 1 and itself we have to find out. Factor means by which number 165 is divisible, that we have to see. So you can see last digit is 5 in the number, that means it will come in the table of 5. Okay, it will be divisible by 5. So what we will do? We will divide this number by 5 because we have to find out more factors. So 1 factor will be there, but in the question it is given find out 3 factors, means more than 1 we have to find out. So what we will do? We will divide 165 by 5, and what answer you will get as the question, that you will write also, means that is also the factor. So when you will divide 165 by 5, you will get the question 33. So that number also you will write in the factors. Then again you can see 3 by 3, this 165 is divisible. So we will divide 165 by 3. You will get the quotient here 55. So that two numbers, means 3 and 55 also we will write in the factors. Then again it is divisible by 11. So we will divide it and find out the answer. The question is 15 here. So that also we will write, means 11 also, 15 also. Here it was written on find 3 factors, but I have shown you more than 3 factors. So among that you can write any 3, no problem. So question number 4, 5, 6, 8 and 9 you will solve in copy. Question number 5 and 9 you will try by yourself. It is similar. Let us learn now prime numbers and composite numbers. So first we will see prime numbers. Take the example of 2. How we can write 2? 2 we can write as 2 multiplied by 1, or 2 is divided by 2 itself and 2 is divided by 1. There is no other way to write 2 in multiplication form. So factors of 2 are 1 and 2 only. There is not any other factor. So a number that is divisible only by itself and 1 is called a prime number. Or in other words you can say prime numbers have only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. So 2 is having only 2 factors, so 2 is a prime number. Explaining in simple words, you can say the number which does not come in any other numbers table, so those numbers are called as prime numbers. Means 2 doesn't come in any other table. 2 comes in only itself table and it is divisible by 1 only. So these are prime numbers. Let us see some more properties of 2. 2 is the smallest prime number. 2 is the only even prime number. Except 2, even numbers are not prime numbers. All prime numbers are odd except 2. Let's get clear idea about prime numbers with some more numbers example. So see here 3 and 17. 3 we can write 1 and 3. Factors of 3 are 1 and 3. Factors of 17 are 1 and 17 only. So 3 and 17 are prime numbers because these are having only 2 factors, 1 and that number itself. So prime numbers are starting from 2, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and so on. Now let's have a look on composite numbers. So we will take 2 numbers here, 4 and 12. So we will see the ways to write 4 in the multiplication form. We can write 4 as 1 multiplied by 4 and 2 multiplied by 2. And we will see the factors of 12, 1 multiplied by 12, 2 multiplied by 6, 3 multiplied by 4. In these tables 12 number comes. So factors of 4 are 1, 2, 4. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Have a look on the factors of these two numbers. Are these only 2? No. Factors of these two numbers are more than 2. So a number that is divisible by a number other than itself and 1 is called a composite number. The number which has more than 2 factors is composite number. So 4 and 12 are composite numbers. The numbers which can come in others table also, those numbers are called as composite numbers. Now we will see some properties of composite numbers. First one, composite numbers can be written as a product of factors different from itself. Second is all even numbers other than 2 are composite numbers. Only 2 is the prime number and other all even numbers are composite numbers. 1 is neither prime nor composite. Okay, 1 is neither prime nor composite. Read the points from the book also and learn. Thank you. Bye bye.